Good morning, friends. It's Mrs. Sheehan, and I'm coming to you with my guitar this week of just something I don't usually do. But since we've been at home, I've had a little bit more time to spend with some of the things that I find help me to be creative, but also help me to channel my feelings in a good way. So we talked a little bit last week about how when we send each other off, we might wish something or hope something for each other, and we might tell each other how we feel. So that the next time, if there's going to be a lot of time in between the next time that we see each other, that someone can remember the things that we had to say and how we felt about them. So it's important to give those messages. I was thinking this weekend, what could I do to share with my friends how I've watched them grow and how proud I am of all the things that they've learned. So I want to share with you this song that I actually wrote for my sons, but when I write things for my kids, I often think about the kids at school too and how I'm proud of watching you all learn. So this is a song. We call it Little Bird. And I thought that it was interesting to play it outside this morning because all the birds are really chirping around me. So it's basically about a little bird that's by someone's window, and we watch it grow up and all the different steps it takes to be able to go off and fly on its own. So I hope that you enjoy the song, and maybe you can hear in the message that it's important to watch people grow and change, but it's also good to go back and share with them their story. And also, Miss Little Bird, I've always asked it to be itself, so to sing its own song and to find its song in life. So I hope that also you are able to find what your own song is, meaning that you're true to yourself and you find out what you want to be like, because that's all we've ever wanted for you. So here it goes. Little bird, as you sit by the window, singing a song that you love with all your heart. Sing out loud all the things that you are made of, and remember that I've loved you from the start. Oh, how high and low my love will follow wherever you go. Hey, little bird, you spread your wings this morning, and you fell time and time again. But you got back up and you dusted off your feathers, spread your wings, and you finally found your wings. Oh, how high and how low my love will follow wherever you go. Hey, little bird, as you fly by my window, make sure you stop, sing for me your songs, and sing out loud all the things that you are made of. And remember that I've loved you all along. Oh, how high and how low where love will follow wherever you go. All right, friends. So remember, we'll be thinking about you, and the love that Meadowbrook School has for you will follow you wherever you go.